What a day for Google. We got the official Android 11 update and at the same time, a full high quality first look of the Google Pixel 5. Yes, you're looking at the live images of the next Google flagship coming in the month of October. We've got a brand new design, bigger battery, and amazing price. Google is looking to make a solid comeback in a very smart way. So the Pixel 5 is set to rock a 6.24-inch OLED 90Hz screen, a punch hole display look with noticeably small bezels. If you really pay attention to that chin, looks really nice. It seems like the back of the phone is made by plastic, but don't worry, it won't be $1,000 phone. Even Google knows not to make $1,000 plastic phone. I've got a trusty fingerprint scanner on the back, and pretty much all the gimmicks from last year are gone. So no solely radar chip or Face ID system. Instead, we have that trusty, handy fingerprint scanner on the back. And most importantly, the best thing that people care about when buying a Pixel phone is the camera. Enter ultra-wide-angle lens for the first time on a Pixel phone. Super excited. There's also a color filter lens. It seems like Google is ditching the zoom lens on this year's flagship. Now the Pixel 5 will be drastically different from anything Google has ever put out. For the first time, Google will not be directly boxing with Samsung or Apple. Instead, they're about to play it smart. Ever since the first Pixel phone that came out in 2016, Google has always used the latest and the greatest Qualcomm chip. But this year, Google will be using the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 CPU with 5G connectivity. This is a high-end mid-range CPU. It's definitely not on the same level as Snapdragon 865, but then again, it's not gonna be breaking the bank. Now, because of Snapdragon 65, Google is able to drastically cut the price of their Pixel 5 phone. It is rumored to cost the same price as the original Google Pixel 1, which was actually $649. This means it's almost $350 cheaper than the Galaxy S20 flagship and even cheaper than the starting price of the upcoming iPhone 12 models. It seems like with the Pixel 5, Google has fixed 5 problems, starting with the design, price, battery, removing gimmicks, and finally adding a ultra-wide-angle lens at 0.5x level, which is similar to Apple and Samsung. The back camera is likely to be similar as Pixel 4. We're not sure if Google has done something to the sensor, if it's actually different from the one we have seen on the Pixel 4a. I have to say, I'm really relieved to know that they have finally added the ultra-wide-angle lens. As always, it's not gonna be the most flashy phone on the market. It's not gonna have the absolute best 120Hz OLED display or any of those pro features, but what it does offer at its price, it's still pretty solid. The best thing about the Pixel 5 is that the battery size is rumored to be coming at 4000 mAh battery, and if you combine that with the Qualcomm 765 chip, it's looking like a very efficient combo. It will come with Android 11 out of the box as always, with all the optimization and having that pure Pixel experience. If Google really nails the software, then I think the Snapdragon 765 will be more than enough. It should be able to give you pretty much the same exact smooth experience as other high-end smartphones. Of course, there will be differences when it comes to playing games or doing video rendering, stuff like that, but for the most part, it should be able to handle pretty much everything. As always, I'm really looking forward to this phone. It's coming officially on September 30th. According to a leak coming from a carrier, it might actually get announced on 25th September instead of 30th, with the release date happening in the mid-October. So right about the iPhone time, the Pixel 5 will be out. Apparently, it's gonna have a black color and a new green color. Honestly, this may be one of the most solid high-end mid-range phone of the year. If you look at the Pixel 4, it was a disaster. The pricing was bad, the features were gimmicky, no ultra-wide-angle lens, and of course, the worst battery on any flagship ever, especially with the base Pixel 4 model. No wonder why Google discontinued the Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL just a year later. So high hopes for the Pixel 5. Let me know what you think about this whole move from Google in the comment section below. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.